To anyone watching right now, allow people to come in and out of your lives. Whatever they leave, whether it's a lesson, whether the memory is good or bad, allow it. Because that's how you experience life to the fullest. Through connections. Don't ever be afraid na dapat some people, kasi it's so easy to take full control, to want to na every relationship, hold on to it, kailangan magstay. No, allow life to happen to you. And enjoy it. Cry if you have to, but laban ulit.
Uno sa buhay natin, di ko papansinin. Takdana, tadhana, ikaw ang aking bituin. Ikaw